What's up guys, I have been taking a break and I'm sorry. Today we are going to learn how to make a window in pygame, so in the next video I will teach you how to make a character move and how to make the ground and sky. But first you need to import pygame, because we don't want to make a game using VS Code's terminal. So this just imports pygame so the app you are using will know you are coding in the pygame language, because there is a big difference between Python language and pygame language. Next you have to type in pygame.init and parentheses. What this does is start up the code. Like how keys start up a car. Next you have to make the screen. So we are going to make a variable for easy use. And the code to make a screen is simple. It's just pygame.display.set_mode and put parentheses. And this code is very easy to memorize. So put another set of parentheses inside the other ones for some reason, then put the width and height of what your screen. I'm gonna put 800 by 400. Next we are going to make a variable for a clock. Don't worry, this is not for a timer. It's for the FPS of the game. So just type this simple line of code. pygame.time.clock and put a set of parentheses. And make sure that the first letter of the word clock is capital. Next you are going to make a loop to put your screen in so the screen will stay there forever. Because if you do it now, a screen will pop up for a few milliseconds, then it will go away. It's because the code instantly ends. So we have to make a variable for run equals true. Then make a loop by typing while run. And then put a dot on dot. Now we need to put an event for closing the window. Because who doesn't want to close a window when they feel like it? So we are going to get events so we can do stuff like that. So to do that we have to get events from pygame events. So type in from event in pygame.event.get. Then put a set of parentheses and dot on dot. Now press enter and choose the event you want. I want to close the window when I feel like it, so I'm gonna type in if event.type equals pygame.quit in full caps, then put a dot on dot. And press enter and type run equals false. Now let me explain. If you want event you have to get the built-in ones from pygame. And to do that we put this one. And the event we want is to close the window whenever we want to. So we are going to put this line of code, so if the event type equals quit, make run equal false. Now we are going to update the screen because the code doesn't work yet. And to update the screen we have to put this line code, which is pygame.display.update, and put a set of parentheses. This basically just updates the screen so it can loop. Now put in pygame.quit and put a set of parentheses. Now go up under the screen update code and put in clock.tick and put a set of parentheses. Now in the set of parentheses put the FPS that you want. It could be anything. But 60 is a good FPS. Now run the code. And I know you don't have this code runner button if you are using VS Code. So let me teach you how to get it. You have to go on this button that has 4 squares on it, then search for the code runner, then download it and it will automatically enable. Now if you run the code you should have a window open of the game you made, but if you didn't get the window you may have done something wrong with the code. So here it is, copy it and don't make typos.